In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working. So whether you're getting some kind of error message or it's just not working in general, then there's a couple things we can do to fix this. So the first thing we need to do is clear our cache on our browser, and you can do this by clicking the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scrolling all the way down and clicking on Settings. From the left hand side, select Privacy and Security, select Delete Browsing Data, and you just want to make sure that you have cookies and other site data checked like so. Make sure you have the time range set to all time and then press Delete Data. So once you've cleared your browsing data, you then need to come back over to the three vertical dots, click on Extensions and select Manage Extensions. And what you want to do is just disable any of your Chrome extensions. Now you can do this simply by toggling it off like so. Sometimes these extensions can interfere with the ChatGPT software. So it's a good idea just to disable these, and then you can head back over to the ChatGPT application and you could check to see if that's now solved your issue. Now if it's still not working, another thing you could try doing is using ChatGPT in an incognito window. Now you can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots and selecting New Incognito Window. And then from here you can just launch up the ChatGPT website. You may need to relog back into your account, and that should have also solved the issue for you. Now if you've tried all of these steps and nothing is working, the last thing I'd recommend doing is disconnecting from any VPNs on your computer. Using a VPN can also cause compatibility issues with ChatGPT, so just make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs and then you can try using the application. And it's as simple as that, guys. By following all of these steps, that should have now fixed any ChatGPT issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.